Hi from Guatemala. I've been having a ball, but today I am going to be showing you guys me hiking an active volcano in Guatemala. So yeah, I'm going to be taking you guys along the journey with me. Yeah, 10 minutes in, and I got on the horse. I was like, It's also like super cold. So definitely make sure that you bring a jacket. As you can see, I have my jacket. Um, whew, getting up there. So we're about to catch up with the rest of the group. But we booked via Viator actually. It did include like round trip transportation at $35. And no, at taking like a little stop. So we're just taking a pause, still on the house. Telling her the entrance fee. Yes, so you got to make sure that you have Guatemalan currency. That's $100 per person. And then to get on the horse is between like 200 to 300, but prepare for 300 because you're not people are gonna make the money. And yeah. Here they were just showing us some, previous pictures of eruptions of the volcano. And by this point, we were about 30 minutes into the hike. And out of the 6 people that were on the tour, 4 of us at this point were on horses, and 2 were still, hiking up on their feet. And honestly, they were the real MVPs because I feel like I came in with the intention of like, yes, I'm gonna walk this. And honestly, after about like 10 minutes, I was like, I have to get on this horse. I'm not about to die today. The owners of the horses will kind of come with you and your tour guide, who will be obviously helping you navigate the hike. So even if you don't get a horse like at the beginning, don't really worry about that. I was still able to get a horse, like, throughout the experience, and other people as well. As you guys can see, it's definitely getting more like, overcasted. Can't really see. Yeah, this girl here, she's the only one left that ain't on the house. She doing good. I couldn't do it, I'm sorry. You sure you don't want the horse? You good?
We have 30 minutes left?
Yeah.
I'm like, okay.
Okay. Alright, yeah, so we at the stop point where basically like a little shop, and you could get like hot chocolate, water, snacks. So definitely bring currency for that. I think like one of the hot chocolate is like 15 Guatemalan currency. I always pronounce it wrong, so I didn't want to say it right now. My brain is not working. But yeah. This is the Guatemalan hot chocolate.
Swiss is 10.
And as you can see, they have like fruits, snacks, drinks, and the horse is just here chilling. And then we are about to get our journey started again. Yeah, we have literally taken heat from, say hi to TY. We literally had taken the heat from this hot chocolate here, on the cold pot kind of thingy. Because we cold.
Did you guys know?
Definitely, as I said, bring enough money, y'all, because you're gonna want this hot chocolate. You're gonna want to stop, and you're gonna want to get on the horse. So just come prepared, okay? Come prepared. Y'all not gonna give y'all a real. After we stopped, we began our journey again on foot. So at this portion of the hike, the horses cannot come with us. So they basically would stay at the pit stop where we were, and then you would be on foot to walk the rest of the way to the volcano. Right.
Everything that you see in the store is made utilizing the lava from Pacaya from different eruptions that have taken place from 2010 up until 2021. The front collection, you'll find rings, earrings, and necklaces worked in silver, and the lava has been.
So we had at the lava shop. They said that it has been here since like 12 years, and that's kind of just wild because obviously they've had eruptions and all type of different things. But you could obviously come here and purchase things. So we finally made it to the spot, and here we were able to actually have some roasted like marshmallows, and we were also going to be ordering some pizza that will be made in the volcano. Got some marshmallows, y'all, while we wait for the pizza. So my hand was almost burning up in there. In the entire world, Guatemala is currently the only country where you're able to have a pizza that is made literally on an active volcano. So, this is definitely a super cool experience, and I'm glad that I had this experience when I went to Guatemala. The pizzas are made fresh. And of course, you can see the entire process while you are on the top of the volcano. So you would see they're doing some of the prep here, and they do ask you like what type of pizza you'd like. So you definitely won't have to worry about not getting something that you won't eat because obviously you are paying for this. I would say when it comes to pricing, it's gonna be a little pricey, but again, this is like a once in a lifetime type of experience. And I do feel like the pizza was very tasty. Obviously, it was very windy here, so I won't really have much clips of me speaking live. But yeah, I was just really observing the pizza making process and also enjoying the views at the top of the volcano. Ah. Extra, extra. Finished pizza, y'all.
Oh gosh, my hands are like so slow right now.
Okay. We made it back to the horse pickup point. Back on the horses. All that's the ash, y'all. Dried up ash from the last eruption. So we're gonna head back down. Let's see how long this takes. My mouth dry, everything. Volcano Fuego is literally erupting right now, y'all. Can y'all see? Oh my gosh. Honestly, coming down on the horse, I think you should probably just walk. Like, I know you don't pay your money, but it was, to me, a little hard on the knees. We made it to the end, y'all. What an experience. Definitely one and done. Some things are just one and done. I think the bus is waiting for us. Yeah, so as I told you guys at the beginning, we booked this through Viator, 35 US per person. And then, you know, the things that I told you how to basically bring cash for, and, you know, tips, obviously, things like that. But that's a wrap, y'all. 1 hour drive back to Antigua, and still gotta enjoy more Guatemala adventures. But I am gonna tell you guys bye-bye.